Hey students, now we are going to continue the same chapter, chapter 15, Economic Development. Now we are on the page number 123 and our next topic is factor of production. Factor of production means what? Okay, what are the things required for the production of any commodity? Right? Like for example, if we required to grow crops, so for that, what are the factors are required for any type of production? If you have to, make a cloth, then what is required? If you want to make a, biscuits or chocolates or whatever, any production to be made, for that, what are the main factors? That what we are going to discuss here. There is known as a factors of production. Now in this, there are four main factors of production. One is land, second is labor, third is capital, and fourth is entrepreneurship. So these are the four factors, right, which we are going to discuss. If you don't use all these four, then you cannot produce anything. These are the main factors. Without that, it is not possible to produce anything. That is the reason it is known as a factors of production. Now, like for example, here first we will talk about land, right? So what is land? Here, if I have to grow, if I am a farmer, I have to grow a crop, right? So what I required? I required land, right? Where I will grow. I cannot grow in water. I cannot grow in a, on the sky. It's not possible. So I required a land for the soil, and then only I can grow the crop. Then if I have to grow crop, I required a labor who will sow the seeds, who will, irrigate the farm, who will harvest the crop. How it is possible? For that, someone is required who will do all these things. So that is known as a labor. Now, the third is capital. Capital means capital is required for what? Capital is required for purchasing seeds, for purchasing, irrigation facilities. Machineries are required. So for that, capital money is required. Machinery is also one type of capital, right? You are going to use it again and again. So that is also the part of capital. Now in this also there are two types of capital. Capital, fixed capital, machinery, building, they are fixed capital. Working capital, money is there, raw material is there, they are the part of the working capital. Then the fourth is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means what? When a person use all these things, land, labor, capital together, that person is known as a entrepreneurship. Means that person is known as a businessman or a entrepreneur. Those who are mixing all and doing some business. So this is what the four main factors are. Now we'll go through the textbook. Page number 123, factors of production. Production is done with the help of natural resources and labor. Different types of tools are used for production. The tools like bullock cart, tractor, sickle, labor, land, etc. are associated with production of food grains. So for production we required, many different types of resources. We required land, we required labor. And tools like bullock cart, sickle, or different types of, for any production you required. Here we are taking example of a farming. There are different types of factors of production, but to make study easy, these factors are divided into four parts. Like there are many factors of production. If economically we go very deep into economics, there are many. But here we are going to discuss about the four, right, which are the main factors of production. Now, first what we are going to discuss, land. Land is normal sense, land is the upper layer of the surface of the earth. But in terms of economics, land means different types of natural resources. Now we thought say this is a land, but economically how land is useful for us? The land gives us, water by rivers. So here what it has been given, which includes forest, rivers, mountains, minerals present in the interior of the earth, metals, etc. present on the surface. Thus, land is natural tool of for production. So whatever we are getting, like we are getting water, we are getting minerals. From where we are getting? We are getting from the land, right? So the land plays a very important role for any factor of production. Without land, it is not possible. So first factor of production is land. The second is capital. Now capital means if I have I have a property, if I have a farm, so that is what, that how I have purchased that farm. So that is possible because of what? Because of the capital, because I am having a money. If I have purchased seeds, because I am having a money. Because I have purchased machinery, reason money. So I required a capital or a building or a machinery. So that all included in a part of capital. Now man-made instrument helpful in production process such as instrument, tools, houses, etc. are included in capital. Property, assets and investment, etc. So this all are the part of the capital, where you will purchase a property, capital, purchase a machinery, capital, you have investment, capital, if you purchase raw material, so it's a capital. So it's a part of capital. Now the third is labor. Now in labor it is of two types. One, you have to make a building, so for that you require two type of labor. One is a skilled labor. Skilled labor like architects are there, engineers are there, those who make the plan of a building, right? And the unskilled labor who will help to make the whole building. So there are two types of labor which is required for any factor of production. So that is, one is skilled labor and another is unskilled labor. Labor means a mental or physical work done with the aim to obtain monetary gain, right? Any person who is doing any work, why they are working, right? Why they are doing a physical work, or why they are doing a mental work. Like for example, we are teaching, so we are doing physical and mental work both. So why we are doing all these things? To gain a monetary anything type of income. So that is what labor is. Labor is a living factor of production. We all are living factor of production. Work of farm laborers, workers, teachers, doctors, artisans, they are comes into a labor category. They all are known as a laborers. Okay. Now fourth is entrepreneurship. Now when we talk about entrepreneurship, the person who efficiently combines the three factor of production, right? So production, land, capital and labor is called a entrepreneur. Now businessman, he is having a property, then he is making a building, right? Then he is investing, bringing machineries and all, and then he start his own business. So that is what the entrepreneurship means. The process of coordinating the three factors of in production process is called entrepreneurship. So this is what the entrepreneurship, a businessman in a very simple word, who will do some work or business, that is known as entrepreneurship. So this all are the main factors of production. Done.